Hey friends, if you wish to fix connections to Bluetooth audio and wireless devices on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu and then go to Bluetooth and devices and then try to re-add it through the add device option. Now this is one solution, but then you can go to the system tab, scroll down to troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Bluetooth troubleshooter. I mean, these are general solutions. Click on the system tray and make sure that the Bluetooth switch is on here. After this, search for device manager, go to the device manager, expand the list for Bluetooth drivers, right click on the first one and then select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.